For centuries, holistic medicine has emphasized what modern science is finally catching up to: your gut is the foundation of your health. The ancient Greek physician Hippocrates once said, "All disease begins in the gut." And now, research confirms that poor gut health is linked to chronic inflammation, autoimmune conditions, mental health disorders, and even heart disease. If you've been struggling with unexplained fatigue, digestive issues, or persistent skin problems, your gut might be the culprit. Why your gut matters. Your digestive system is home to trillions of bacteria, known as the gut microbiome. These microbes influence everything from digestion to immune function, mood regulation, and even brain health. A balanced gut microbiome keeps harmful bacteria in check, produces essential vitamins, and helps regulate inflammation. But when the gut becomes imbalanced, a condition known as dysbiosis, disease can take hold. Signs of an unhealthy gut. Not sure if your gut is in trouble? Here are some warning signs. Chronic bloating, gas, or irregular bowel movements. Frequent colds or infections. Food intolerances or sensitivities. Persistent fatigue or brain fog. Skin issues like acne, eczema, or psoriasis. Anxiety or depression. How to heal your gut naturally. The good news: you can restore your gut health naturally by making a few key lifestyle changes. 1. Remove gut irritants, processed foods, sugar, artificial sweeteners, alcohol, and excessive antibiotics can wreak havoc on your gut. Start by eliminating inflammatory foods like gluten, dairy, and refined sugar for a few weeks and see how you feel. 2. Eat more whole, gut-friendly foods. Prioritize fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, berries, and legumes, along with fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir. Bone broth and collagen-rich foods can also help repair the gut lining. 3. Take probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics, good bacteria, and prebiotics, food for the good bacteria, are essential for gut balance. Look for high-quality probiotic supplements and include prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and bananas in your diet. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress negatively impacts your gut by increasing inflammation and disrupting digestion. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga to keep stress in check. 5. Get plenty of sleep. Your gut microbiome follows a rhythm, just like the rest of your body. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria, leading to imbalances. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support healing. 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for digestion and maintaining a healthy gut lining. Stick to filtered water and herbal teas to support your microbiome. 7. Exercise regularly. Movement supports digestion and increases the diversity of your gut bacteria. Whether it's walking, strength training, or yoga, staying active is key to a thriving gut. Your gut health impacts every aspect of your well-being, and healing your gut could be the key to overcoming chronic health issues. By making conscious choices about your diet, stress levels, and lifestyle, you can restore balance and feel your best. Remember, a healthy gut equals a healthy body, mind, and life. Start today, your gut will thank you.